Hi everyone, it's me Lisa and we're back in lesson 2 and we're back in lesson 2 and we're here today to talk about waveforms and spectrograms and how they can help you in your editing in Audacity. Now that you've had a chance to watch Professor Jürgen Hanke's video, we're going to take a look at what he talked about, the waveforms and the spectrograms and identifying vowels and consonants, and we're going to splice some of the waveforms that we recorded previously in lesson 1. So we want to open up our lesson 1 file, which was your Acoustic Phonetics AIFF file. So there are two ways to do that in Audacity. The first is to go to File, and one way is to go to Recent Files, and you'll see that the AIFF file that I recorded is here in on my hard drive. And then a second way is to go to File and then choose Import, and we can choose Audio. And these two methods apply to audio files, so AIFF or waveforms or MP3s. So we're going to choose audio. We're going to navigate to where my AIFF file is located. It's right here, Lisa Acoustic Phonetics. There we go. I'm going to hit open. And it's going to ask me to import it, and I'm going to say OK, and there is my file. And right now we're seeing the waveform of me saying Acoustic Phonetics, but if we wanted to see the spectrogram, we just click over here on the left and we specify spectrogram, and you can see the spectrographic analysis of Acoustic Phonetics right here. And the cool thing is right here you can see the vowel formants. This is the ah in acoustic, so you'll see the formants right here all the way up, and if we highlight this, you can actually hear it, the sound, and we'll play it. And if we switch back to the waveform, you can see that we've highlighted the sound here. I think it actually starts right about here. We'll just try it there and try it again. And then if we switch back to the waveform, the spectrogram, we can isolate the k sound, which I think is about right here. Let's see what we got here. Because you can see the stop here, and then the friction from the k sound right here, going all the way up. Alright, we're going to switch back to the waveform, and we are going to see how we can edit and splice these two words apart from each other. So one way to do that is to highlight acoustics right here. Make sure that we have it. Acoustic. And I'm going to do a Control X, which is going to cut the acoustic. And then I'm going to do Control D, will actually copy this pane, and I can highlight the whole thing down below and hit delete, and then I'm going to do Control V, and that is going to copy my acoustic in the lower pane and my phonetics here up in the top pane. And if I play these together, it's going to play both panes. You'll see right now. Acoustic. Well, actually it just stopped there because I have it highlighted, so let's do it this way. Acoustic Phonetics. But if I just want to play this lower frame, I can mute the top one and see how it turns it gray. It's muted this entire audio track above, and it will just play this lower track here. And I want to make sure that I have this selected. There we go. Acoustic. Alright, and the same goes if I mute this lower one. See how it turns gray? Now everything's muted. And then I can unmute this one, and if I just want to play the top one, here we go. Phonetics. Great. So we've seen how you can easily, using the normal cut and paste keys, Control Z and Control X and Control V and Control D, easily cut, paste, and duplicate acoustic information here in the files. What we're going to do now is to save this file as an AUP file, which is an Audacity project file. And if you save it as an Audacity project file, all your files, regardless of how you export them, will be you'll be able to open those in Audacity, and then you can export them as any type that you would like, whether that's AIF or a waveform or an MP3. You'll be able to do that from within Audacity if you open up the project file. So to save it as a Audacity project, we're just going to choose Save Project As, and it's asking me, it's telling me I'm saving it as an AUP, which is fine. And I'm going to say OK, and I want to save it as Lisa's Acoustic Phonetics AUP, which is already here. I'm going to hit Save, and there we have it. We've created our Audacity project file, and we have looked at how you can switch back and forth from a waveform to a spectrogram over here on the left. We've also looked at splicing your files, so the acoustics, you can cut and paste the tracks, and duplicating a track, you just do Control D and it will create a second pane down here. And we've looked at muting the audio tracks here, and then we've looked at saving this as an AUP Audacity project file. So that's it for lesson 2, and I look forward to talking to you again in lesson 3. Take care, bye.